Hi everyone, just a quick little tutorial as part of our Scratch tutorial series on this one will be how to glide from point to point, and the gliding will kind of give a little bit more of an animation to your movements. So what we'll do is we'll get when flag is clicked block, so that'll be our trigger for our program. And to glide from a point to a point, you need to kind of see where your character or your sprite is at. So in this case, notice when I'm moving my sprite, the X and Y values are changing right here. And that is basically the location of your sprite on the stage. And we're going to take that information and we're going to tell our sprite to move from spot to spot, however you'd like. So let's go to motion here. And how about we pick up a starting point every time we want to start that program. So let's go to a position. And in this case, it's going to pick up where we are right now. So 12 on as an X value and negative 38 as a Y. So it's going to go there every time we hit flag to start. Now what we'll do is let's make our truck back up and then drive forward again. So let's go to the next one is going to be glide, our glide block. Now where do we want to glide to? So let's say, let's keep our minus 38 as a number, because that means it won't go up or down unless we want it to jump. In this case, we want it to drive. So let's just drag this back and see what happens here. And notice that it actually picked up on the side here. So maybe I'll just remove this. It actually picked up where the sprite is currently. So I'm going to drag that over here. And instead of 36, let's choose 38. So we keep it nice and flat. And you can say how long you want it to glide. So in this case, we can take 2 seconds if we wanted to maybe back up a little bit slower. And when we get here, then we'll speed off a little bit in a forward direction. So now let's drag our character or sprites all the way to the end of the road. It's picked up exactly where we are on that 165 as an X. So let's drag that over. But instead of that minus 40, let's change it to 38. Minus 38, so we keep it nice and flat. And let's make that a little bit faster, so maybe only 1 second to go from end screen to end screen. So let's press our flag and see what happens. So it'll go back to the middle, back up a little bit, and speed up. So you can play with these numbers however you'd like. If you wanted to move up, you can use those same numbers, and you'll notice the Y value will change if you want it to go up or down. But anyways, here's a quick little tutorial on how to animate your sprite if you're wanting to maybe create a little bit of a story or animation with your stage. So hopefully that helps. Thanks.